Are you new to the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and eager to embark on your trading journey using Binance? Then you're indeed in the perfect place. This detailed guide will provide you with comprehensive instructions, breaking down the whole process of setting up an account and initiating trades on the revolutionary Binance platform. Our goal here is to simplify the procedure into manageable, easy to understand steps, ensuring your initiation into the world of digital currency is as seamless as possible. So, let's dive right in. First things first, initiating your journey requires creating a user account. This is the first step in unlocking the full potential of cryptocurrency trading. To do so, navigate your way to the Binance website, a hub of digital currency exchange. On the homepage, you'll locate the Register button, a gateway to joining Binance's massive user community. A simple click on this button will catapult you into the registration process. The platform will prompt you to submit an active email address. We recommend using a secure and regularly checked email because this will serve as your point of contact with Binance. The next step involves creating a password. Now remember, this isn't merely a formality. The world of digital currency can be fraught with security risks. Therefore, it's crucial to use a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. This password will serve as a formidable barrier between potential hackers and your valuable digital assets, ensuring the utmost security of your account. Once you've filled out this information with great care and accuracy, the final step of the registration process will be set in motion. A confirmation email will ping into your chosen email account. It's not just any ordinary email, but a verification step designed to authenticate the email address you've provided. This email will contain a link that you will need to click on to verify your account. This step is crucial to establish the validity of your account and ensure its protection from fraudulent activities. And voila, the account setup process is complete. What lies ahead is a vast world of cryptocurrency trading waiting to be explored. Remember, this guide is your compass and the Binance platform is your ship. Together, they'll ensure you navigate through the world of cryptocurrency trading successfully. Click on the link in that email to verify your account. Now that your account is set up, it's time to secure it. This is a crucial step to ensure your investments remain safe and untouched by unwanted intruders. In the vast world of online trading and cryptocurrency, security is an absolute must. It's akin to locking your front door, setting up an alarm system, and hiring a security guard, all for your online financial assets. Binance, the globally renowned trading platform, is well aware of this necessity. Binance offers two-factor authentication, a feature that adds an extra layer of security for your account. This is no ordinary security measure. Two-factor authentication is a widely respected tool in securing digital accounts across various platforms, not just in the realm of cryptocurrency. It works by requiring not one, but two pieces of evidence or factors to authenticate your identity. This method can often be seen in everyday life. A simple example would be withdrawing cash from an ATM, where you're required to provide a bank card, something you have, and PIN code, something you know. To set this up on Binance is a straightforward process. All you need to do is navigate to your account settings. There, you will be presented with an easy-to-follow guide. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to set up your two-factor authentication. It's user-friendly and designed to make the process as seamless as possible, catering to both tech-savvy individuals and those less comfortable with technology. As you follow the instructions meticulously, remember this process, although seemingly tedious, is much like an investment in itself, an investment in the security of your account. It is a small price to pay for the long-term safety of your investments. The safer your account, the fewer the chances of unanticipated mishaps, the more protected your investments will be. It's not just about preserving what you have today, but also safeguarding what you might earn tomorrow. Remember, the safer your account, the more protected your investments will be. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. To do this, first navigate to the account dashboard. This is where all your financial transactions will take place. From the dashboard, you'll see a variety of tabs and options. For now, we're focusing on one specific tab named Funds. This is where you can manage all your digital assets on Binance. Click on the Funds tab to open up a drop-down menu. This menu will showcase options such as balances, deposit, withdraw, transaction history, etc. For our current purpose, you need to select the Deposits option. Once you click on Deposits, you'll be led to a new page. This page is the gateway to depositing different types of digital into your Binance account. And this is when you need to make a crucial choice. You'll have to decide which cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit into your account. Binance supports a broad array of cryptocurrencies, providing a plethora of options to choose from. You can deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. Carefully select the type of cryptocurrency you want to deposit by clicking on it. As soon as you've made your selection, Binance will respond with important information. It will generate and provide you with a unique wallet address. This address is essential as it is the digital location where you will be sending your funds. Once you've selected a cryptocurrency, Binance will provide you with a wallet address where you can send your funds. With funds in your account, you're ready to start trading. Now that your account is funded, let's take a deep dive into how to use these funds for trading. The process might seem a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. The first step you need to take is to go to the Exchange tab. You'll notice that this tab is located your account interface, which is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Once you click on the Exchange tab, you'll be presented with two options, Basic and Advanced. For this guide, we're selecting Basic. The reason behind choosing Basic is that it provides a simplified, easy to understand interface for those who are new to trading. Don't worry about the Advanced option for now. As you become more comfortable with trading, you can explore that later. Clicking on Basic will lead you to the trading screen. The trading screen is where all the magic here. You will notice a list of available trading pairs. These pairs represent different cryptocurrencies that you can trade. Each pair consists of two currencies, for example Bitcoin and Ethereum, or Litecoin and Ripple. The first currency in the pair is what you're trading, and the second one is what you're against. You might be wondering how to choose a trading pair. Well, it's simple. Just select the pair you're interested in, the one you have studied, researched, and believe has the potential to give you good returns. Once you've selected your desired pair, the next step is to decide on the amount you'd like to trade. This is entirely up to you and based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. To enter your trading amount, look for the buy or sell box. This is where you input how much of the currency you want to buy or sell. Once you've entered your amount, all that's left is to execute your trade. To do this, click on the buy or sell button, and that's all there is to it. Stepping into the world of trading can be daunting, but with the right guidance, you'll be trading like a pro in no time. So, navigate to the Exchange tab, select Basic, enter your trade, and you're off. Click the Buy or Sell button to execute your trade. Now let's talk about some trading strategies. Where do we begin? Yes, let's start with the most common one, the stop limit order. This is a unique trading strategy, a tool if you will, that enables you to pinpoint a specific price at which your will automatically be bought or sold. This is a breakthrough in digital trading as it allows you to strengthen your position in the market and protect you from potential market volatility that can disrupt your trading plans. Not sure how it works? Imagine that you have 20 Bitcoins and you've set a stop limit order at $10,000. The moment the market price reaches your set limit, the system will automatically execute the trade. This ensures you don't lose out on an opportunity to sell when the price is right. Let's pause for a moment and understand why this is essential. In the world of trading, especially cryptocurrency trading, things move at lightning speed. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a matter of minutes. And if you're not constantly glued to your screen, you could potentially miss out on a beneficial trade. This is where the stop limit order comes in. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly watching the market trends for you and making sure you're not missing out on from stop limit orders. There's another strategy you might want to consider, and that is to utilize Binance's advanced trading features. Now, these are not your run-of-the-mill trading features. They include futures trading and margin trading. Sounds a bit complex, doesn't it? Well, it is. These strategies are more advanced, and they do carry a higher risk compared to other trading strategies. This makes them perfect for the more seasoned traders, those with a bit more experience under their belts, who are seeking to maximize returns and are prepared to face the risk associated. However, it's important to remember, in trading, as in life, with higher potential rewards comes higher risk. So, it's always advisable to thoroughly understand these strategies, learn the ropes, and ensure you're prepared to manage the risks before you take the plunge. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned trader, these strategies can provide you with an edge in an increasingly competitive market. However, these are more complex and carry higher risk, so they're recommended for more experienced traders. To encapsulate, the process of establishment and trading on Binance involves several steps, starting with the creation of a unique account. This user-friendly account creation process is your first step towards joining the global community of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. After you create your account, it's vital to secure it using an element known as two-factor authentication. This is an added layer of security for your account. Two-factor authentication works in tandem with your password, offering a second line of defense against unauthorized access. Next on the list of crucial steps is depositing funds into your Binance account. This is the stage where you transfer your preferred currency into your trading account. Binance offers a wide range of options for depositing funds, accommodating various types of currencies and payment methods. It is an incredibly straightforward and user-friendly process that is designed to facilitate seamless transactions. After your account has been funded, you have the green light to begin executing trades. Trading on Binance is a journey in itself, with learning curves and opportunities. You can choose from an extensive range of cryptocurrencies, each its unique set of advantages and characteristics. Remember to execute trades with caution and strategy, taking into consideration the market behavior and trends. One of the many trading strategies you can adopt involves the use of stop limit orders. These are designed specifically to protect your investments from significant losses. Stop limit orders allow you to set a specific price at which your cryptocurrency will be sold automatically, preventing any further losses. Thank you for tuning in to this comprehensive guide. If you found this guide beneficial, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content related to cryptocurrency trading. Stay tuned for more cryptocurrency guides, and happy trading on Binance.